Thursday, June 27, 2024. Saint Cyril of Alexandria. Focus. Everyone then who hears these words of mine and does them will be like a wise man who built his house on the rock. We may have seen or participated in retreats, but the entire assembly seemed afire, deep in the fervent praise and worship, or praying in the tongues with even physical healings. This is a blessing that uplifts many. However, the experience is hollow if our daily lives fail to embody the teachings of the gospel. If we do not heed Jesus' words and translate them into action. Our beliefs shape our conduct. If we truly accept the will of the Father, it will be reflected in our actions. Do we introspect about whether or not our behavior is in sync with the Ten Commandments? Jesus reminds us that it is not just our spiritual performance but our obedience to the will of God that will take us to heaven. In life, storms and inevitable family problems, loss of loved ones, addiction, sickness, any of these can shake the very foundations of our faith if we live according to the fragile ways of the world. Our life ought to be continuously built and rebuilt on the Word of God, which is the rock of salvation. The Word brings enlightenment, support, and consolation so that we can take correct decisions and make wise commitments. Fruit. Let us seek the grace to read the Word of God in prayer every day and then follow it.